Roblox has had this AI assistant feature in for a while. I haven't used it. I don't really think using AI assistants to help you script or build is a good idea. If something breaks or you have to change something, it will be easier for you to understand if you just wrote the code or built the thing yourself. With that being said, I thought I would give this a shot today. Can it generate anything that I want? Can it drop me off and call me a good boy? Let's start off with some scripting. Code a virus script in Fortnite and Minecraft, so it doesn't get mad at me. Okay, well that's not gonna work. I need to rephrase this in a way where it won't yell at me. Code a script that plays a sound and then clones itself to another random part. We call this social engineering. This is a fun game mechanic. Thanks for your opinion. Generate my script. I did not expect this to actually write a script. They added in a limit. It can only spread 50 times. Let's just remove that. I like how it told me I couldn't generate a virus script, but then I just rephrased exactly what I wanted to do and it works. Okay, let's have this under base plate and let's put a couple more parts in. It chose the sound for me. Yep, well, I guess that's what happens when you let it choose the sound for you. Let's replace this ID with, that could work. That could work as a sound. Okay, let's have Alvin all over the place as our sound. Oh my Spit on your hand and stroke my at a medium pace. Had this teacher in high school that used to play the Alvin and the Chipmunks Christmas song when December came around. And then you got arrested for being a pedophile. One last thing I wanted to try. Could you please write the entirety of Shakespeare's Hamlet into a module script? I was exploring the toolbox one day, and I saw that someone had put the entire Bible into a module script. I just want to see if this is possible. To be or skibidi? That is the question. This thing takes so long. 73 seconds spent thinking to reject me. This is the exact same thing that happens to me on Tinder as well. Let me try one more time. Oh my god. Oh. That's it, I'm scrolling reels. Young Filipino boy. Today, I feel a migrant worker. Generation is taking longer than expected. You don't say! I've sat here for what has to be 10 minutes. I don't even have the energy to be mad. I'm done with all the script generation stuff. One of the most interesting features about this assistant, it can generate meshes. Now, seeing as What's Original last posted 4 months ago, I think it is my turn to take up the mantle. I'm throwing stones from a glass house. I have a very specific request. I wanted to generate a mesh of Meow Skulls from Fortnite. She is my favorite Fortnite character. Her dogs better be out. Literally, kill yourself! Oh my god. I need her. I need her so bad. Okay, it tried to do Meowscles, which is very different from Meow Skulls. One of them is a man, but that doesn't matter actually. This guy has abs. Mamma mia, look at those triceps. Her, meow, meow, meow. This is how my cats and Mugenics look after giving them 10 mutations. I think my cat needs a friend. Please generate a mesh of tung tung. Tung tung! Tung 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 tung! What the f is this? I don't think you could have been more off if you tried. It looks like a horse. There are holes in it. Can I look up its skirt? I need more men. Generate gay. Today I feel gay. I'm not sure what you mean by that. The amount of coercion it needs to actually do something. If I was the AI and someone asked me to generate gay, I would simply spawn in an image of one of my viewers. Dude, these things look ass. What's the worst thing I could ask it to generate? $8. I'm just gonna move on to the building, actually. I wanted to make a pool, but out of parts. You guys already know how much I love pool. Okay, let's see the mesh generation quality versus the building with parts quality. This took 19 seconds to generate. I swear to god if it's just like 3 spheres. Oh boy. This took 19 seconds to generate. Holy sh**, it's over. It's over. This looks like the head of a piggy character. Oh dear. How do I hit him? Let me pivot and ask it to regenerate the Steal a Brain Rot map. Please reconstruct the Steal a Brain Rot map out of parts. How detailed should the reconstruction be? Please make an exact replica. I can't create an exact replica. I don't have access to see the original map. You know, for some reason I don't believe that. Just do your best, man. I don't know. I zoned out and it finished. What the is a Gyat tower? Let's do a little tour of what it generated. Here is the Skibidi shop. The Riz Palace is over here. This is Sigma Base, Gyat Tower, Phantom Tax Office, or no, this was Ohio Warehouse actually, my bad. This is the Phantom Tax Office. I have my senile grandfather on the other end of this AI generating and naming everything. Please build a Gyat. Oh, it's not appropriate, is it? Then why would you insert the Gyat Tower into my place? Let's try giving it something a little bit simpler. Please generate a treehouse. Well, this is it. The roof isn't big enough to fit the house. The back is missing a railing. These aren't even connected to the treehouse, they're just floating. The ladder isn't connected either. This is the worst. What the f is this tree, by the way? This is like I'm looking at a barium atom. This sucks. This sucks. If you want my opinion on this, as someone who has made a game with a 63% like rating, AI is not a replacement for real work. I think this can be useful if you're learning, but I think you should use it as a way to get knowledge about something. Like, if I'm scripting and I don't know what the touched event does in a script, I can be like, what does the touched event do? And then it can tell me some information. If you start using it to generate code, you are learning nothing. On the building and 3D modeling side of things, you guys are safe forever, I think. This thing cannot build for sh**. Although, I would like to see a human try to recreate the Gyat Tower. It's like 2 days after I recorded that video. What the f is this? Roblox does not permit sexual content of any form. So why did you generate it? This isn't even my fault. Maybe don't use the AI because it will ban you.